This is John Porai. I'm coming to you from Tokyo, Japan, and today, right here, you're looking at a tweet from the real Laura B, and this is the third time this week that Amber Heard got denied a legal victory against Johnny Depp. The first time she wanted to take the case to the Supreme Court, well, that was actually an attempt out of many, but it finally got finalized that she can't do it. And then she wanted to show evidence from the LAPD or something to that extent. She wants to call them to the stand, and she can't quite do what she wants. And now she cannot have Johnny Depp examined for mental disabilities or mental unwellness, whatever you want to call it. The fact is, this is the third denial in 1 week, and that is really good news. So Laura says, update Johnny Depp vs. Amber Heard. Judge A has declined Amber's motion for Johnny to do a mental exam. Yeah, that's the words I was looking for. Okay, so she can't have Johnny take a mental exam. And Johnny may call Dr. Kipper as a fact witness only, not an expert witness. I didn't think we'd see ruling on this. Amber declined again in caps with a little party popper, whatever that thing is, because it's good news. Here's the document. She always puts up the documents, so I really trust Laura B's sources more than most other people. Here's the other one. It's legit. It's a court document, and Amber cannot give Johnny a mental exam because, as we know, she's the one who needs the mental exam. But I think most of you guys knew that. So, Red Like Jungle, who should be Green Like Jungle, because jungles are green, not red, says, it's clear to me she only filed this motion as a tit for tat because JD was requesting she undergo NIME. She was denied once, so in my honest opinion, this was bound to be refused. But I do wonder if Judge A will refuse JD's request too on the basis of parity. So also, if you don't know, Johnny did request a mental exam for Amber, which is why she probably requested one for Johnny. And I don't think these things are so important. They're details, but it's important to know that the judge is denying Amber. And Laura says, I think Judge A will rule on the law and its merits individually. I still think during one of the hearings, plea and bar AH may have her mental state on the table. Not sure it will be enough. We will see. And Sunflower says 3, in caps again, 3 denials in 2 days. Honestly, can emphasize what the AH stands, but I'm really glad I'm not them right now. This is wonderful news for Johnny. The world has been fighting for his well-deserved justice. It's high time we see it happen in the courts too. And Mia says because her motions are plain stupid, which is also true. So yeah, 3 denials in 2 days. I said in the same week, which is technically true, but it's even better that it happened within 2 days. So that's about it. Quick little video here because that's the news. And I keep saying this like a broken record, is that I didn't have a lot of hope for Virginia because of the UK and because we saw systems can be corrupt. Now I know the US is not the UK, but it still showed that you could have the right evidence, you could say the right things, and in a modern society, in this day and age, you could still lose. And also, I've had some disappointments in 2020, as I'm sure many of you had, without getting into specifics, but you can imagine here and there, all kind of things happen. So I just couldn't get my hopes up again, but seeing this news 3 times in a row, the third time now, really gives me hope that something's going right. And I gotta be, I'm sorry, a broken record again, is that people think Elon Musk is seriously aiding Amber, and now I'm sure he's doing something. He's probably throwing her a few bucks. But with all these wins Johnny's getting in court, that theory isn't looking as good. Because if Elin was helping Amber, he'd be helping her from the start. He'd be helping her get a foot in this thing right away, right now, get all the things she possibly needs to win without having the evidence, without having the truth. But that's not happening. Johnny keeps getting wins in court, so it seems like the judge is not influenced from outside sources at this time. In some point in time, she might be, the jury might be. I'll get into that. That has to do with the state of the world right now, identity politics, and all that kind of thing. They might be scared to be called sexist if they give the win to Johnny. That's what's happening right now in all facets of life, everywhere, on all levels. Government, corporations, private sector, it's everywhere. So it's possible. But things do look good right now. So you guys, let me know what you think down below. I'm doing shout outs, special thanks, things like that. Consider subscribing here, and if you don't subscribe, I'll be pretty sad. But I'll get over it. See you next time.